I'm going to show you how to make veggie cups. The easiest way for me to make veggie cups is to lay it out as though like a manufacturing plant would do it. So you just get all of your items cleaned, washed, cut, and I have them just in containers here ready to go. It's 5 pieces of carrot, 5 pieces of celery, 5 carrots, 3 cauliflower, 3 radishes, and 3 Gary tomatoes in each cup. So I do. The first thing I do is 2 of each carrot and celery, and then 1 of everything else. This cauliflower is a little large. Then another carrot and celery. You can actually, if you'd like, just put all 5 hunks of celery along the one side of the cup before you start. The reason that I do 1 at a time is because we want them all intermixed in there and kind of haphazardly in there, not just all a hunk of space full of cauliflower, space full of carrots. We want them intermixed. As best as we can get them. Another carrot and celery, and then another round of everything. You'll know when your veggie cups are made right because you'll barely be able to get the lid on, which is exactly what we want. We want them to be full and fresh and yummy looking. And then we add our last stick of celery and our last carrot. As I said, I do this way so that I can keep track of what I've put in there. Some of these carrots are itty bitty. I don't know what happened to them today, but we're adding an extra one because they're teeny weeny little carrot bodies. Put your dip cup on top. And as I said, it actually should be hard to get the lid closed if you have enough stuff in these, which is exactly what we want. You want to always check the code on your dip when you're making these before you actually use the dip to make sure that it's good for as long as the veggie cups are going to be in the grab and go. This is good until January 24th, so that's no problem because the veggie cups are coated for 5 days in the grab and go, and that's about 35 days away. You're going to do your UPCs, the bottom ledge, just like we've done with the other cups. I try to keep the celery towards the back. People don't want to just look at celery. They want to see that color and that gorgeousness of the what else is in there. You want your minute mark? Creation Station logo. go right in the middle, in the front of the cup. And we're going to code these for 5 days. So we need blue. We're going to write our initials on the UPC code using the blue so we all know when it goes out and who made it. Pretty much anything that you do in food service, you want to always make sure you initial. And the Veggie Cups are $1.19. So that's going to be the last thing we put on the cup. And there you go. That's how you make Veggie Cups for your grab and go. You always want to make sure before starting Veggie Cups that you have all 5 vegetables that you need. You need celery, cauliflower, radishes, grape tomatoes, and carrots. That everything is taken and washed just like we wash the rest of the vegetables. And then you want to cut it into small pieces just like the ones you've seen here so that it'll fit in the cups. And remember, the recipe for the Veggie Cups is 5 celery, 5 carrot, 3 cauliflower, 3 radishes, 3 grape tomatoes, and don't forget the dip because that's really what makes it good. And that's it for Veggie Cups.
Got a minute, make it knit-knee. Knit-knee Minute Mart. Saving minutes and money for you. Fill your tank and grab a meal. Java Nation coffee too. Quick and fast in a hurry.